Hey, if you're trying to start your career in digital marketing and you want something practical, fast, and fully hands-on, let me quickly walk you through our FastTrack Digital Marketing Career Program. This is a 1-month mentor-led program designed to take you from beginner to job ready without overwhelming you or wasting your time with outdated theory. Every session over here is live, interactive, and completely practical. Here, you learn by doing, running campaigns, analyzing data, and working exactly the way real marketers work. Across this 1 month, you will cover topics like SEO, Google Ads, Meta Ads, content basics, social media strategy, performance marketing, and even the latest AI tools that top marketers use daily. You will get hands-on experience with tools like Google Analytics, Search Console, SEMrush, Uber Suggest, ChatGPT, Canva AI, and many more. While building real projects you can proudly add to your resume, will also help you strengthen your LinkedIn profile, build a recruiter-ready resume, and prepare you for interviews with guaranteed interview opportunities through our hiring partners. Our learners love how simple, practical, and industry-focused our sessions are. And the best part? They finish the program with clarity, confidence, and real digital marketing skills they can use from day one. So if you want a quick, structured, and job-focused way to break into digital marketing, this FastTrack program is the perfect start. Join us, learn the right skills, build real projects, and kickstart your digital marketing career in the next 30 days. So click on the Start Your Application button in the course page, fill in your details, and our team will guide you through your next steps.